Troubleshooting a malfunctioning car air conditioning, AC system. Troubleshooting a malfunctioning car air conditioning, AC system, involves systematically identifying and addressing common problems. Here are the steps to diagnose and potentially resolve the issue. Ensure the AC is on. Verify that the AC button is pressed and the fan speed is set to an appropriate level. Listen for unusual noises. Grinding or hissing sounds might indicate mechanical problems or refrigerant leaks. Check for airflow. Confirm whether air is coming out of the vents. A. Insufficient cooling. Low refrigerant level. Symptoms: weak cooling or warm air. Solution: recharge the system with refrigerant. A DIY recharge kit can be used, but professional service ensures no leaks or overcharging. Clogged cabin air filter. Symptoms: reduced airflow, unpleasant smells. Solution: replace the cabin air filter. AC not turning on. Blown fuse. Symptoms: AC system unresponsive. Solution: check and replace the AC system fuse in the fuse box. Faulty compressor. Symptoms: no cooling, clicking sounds. Solution: inspect the compressor clutch. If it's not engaging, consult a mechanic for potential repair or replacement. C. Weak or no airflow. Damaged blower motor. Symptoms: no airflow regardless of fan speed. Solution: replace the blower motor. Blocked air vents. Symptoms: reduced airflow despite normal fan operation. Solution: clear obstructions or debris from the vents. Foul odors. Mold or mildew. Symptoms: musty smell from vents. Solution: clean the evaporator coil and spray antibacterial cleaner into the vents. B. Refrigerant leaks. Symptoms: hissing sounds, oily residue around hoses or fittings. Solution: use a UV dye kit to locate leaks and patch small ones with sealants. Major leaks require professional repair. F. Electrical issues. Symptoms: inconsistent or no operation of the AC. Solution: inspect wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion and test the AC relay and switches. Check system pressure. Use a pressure gauge to measure refrigerant levels. Too high or too low indicates a problem. Inspect belts and hoses. Look for cracks, wear, or detachment. If troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, consult a professional. They can perform advanced diagnostics, such as testing the AC control module or evacuating and recharging the system. Run the AC regularly, even in winter, to maintain seals and components. Clean the condenser coil periodically to ensure efficient cooling. Schedule an annual AC system inspection. Roll compresses refrigerant and circulates it through the system. Signs of malfunction: no cooling or inconsistent cooling. Loud clicking, grinding, or rattling noises. The clutch on the compressor is not engaging. Test. Visually inspect the compressor clutch for engagement when the AC is turned on. Check for physical damage, oil leaks, or worn belts. Test voltage at the compressor with a multimeter. Roll transfers heat out of the cabin air. Signs of malfunction: insufficient or warm air cooling. Frost or ice forming on AC lines. Test. Use a pressure gauge to measure refrigerant levels. Check for leaks with a UV dye and UV light kit. Roll removes heat from the refrigerant. Signs of malfunction: reduced cooling efficiency. Overheating engine as the condenser is near the radiator. Test. Inspect for blockages, dirt, leaves, or debris, or physical damage. Ensure the condenser fan is operating properly. Roll absorbs heat and cools the air. Signs of malfunction: musty smells from vents, mold growth. Weak or uneven airflow. Test. Use a temperature probe to test the air temperature near the evaporator. Check for visible leaks or moisture buildup in the cabin. Roll regulates refrigerant flow into the evaporator. Signs of malfunction: inconsistent cooling. Frost buildup on the expansion valve or tube. Test. Inspect for clogs or freezing. Use diagnostic equipment to monitor refrigerant flow. Roll pushes air through the vents. Signs of malfunction: no airflow or weak airflow from the vents. Unusual noises when the fan is on. Test. Check electrical connections to the blower motor. Inspect for obstructions like debris in the fan. Roll filters air entering the cabin. Signs of malfunction. Weak airflow or musty smells. Test. Remove and inspect the filter for dirt or clogs. Roll control power to the AC system. Signs of malfunction. AC system doesn't turn on. Test. Inspect and replace blown fuses. Swap the AC relay with another relay of the same type to check functionality. Roll, carry refrigerant throughout the system. Signs of malfunction. Visible refrigerant leaks, oily residue or UV dye. Test. Use a UV light and dye kit to identify leaks. Inspect hoses for cracks, wear, or loosened connections. Roll manages AC system operation. Signs of malfunction. Inconsistent system operation or failure to engage. Test. Use a diagnostic scanner to check for error codes. Ensure proper functioning of temperature and fan speed control.